So from here, I'm going to start styling the hair. Let's see. I'll just have a couple of small braids going into the big one. I don't think this would be a good location. So if I'm to make a big one, yeah, I'll go like this. The man that is doing makeup.
Big fellas.
So if this is my next section, I have it set. I'm going to make 2 curls and have them go into it. So that this one, let me braid it before I make the second one. Come on. I need to be filming this thing for my to edit. Let me on it again and see. What's that video saying? Maybe I was using my hand to off it where I don't know it. Even looking too dark. This is the highest of this tripod. This is not the highest. I've used it. So just like this. And now I'll braid it into this one.
Yes, okay. You know,
Let me add
Who's your turning makeup?
all that and everything, Latifa, being
Baby Watifa.
hey,
Matifa.
I'll beat you. Yeah, laugh. Do I look like I'm doing? So, yeah.
Why are you wasting my shine?
Give me. I'll go out from here before I knock your head.
So I have the first small braid that will go into the big one, and then I'll have a second one too. Like this. So I'm just adding very small hair extension. So this is also going to go into the big braid, and now I can make the bigger braid.